Welcome back to applelnsider, the channel where we break down the most exciting tech in the world with honest insights and in-depth reviews. Today we are looking at something truly unique, a phone that blends nostalgia with modern technology. It is the Nokia 1100 5G, a name that instantly takes many of us back to simpler times when mobile phones were built like tanks and could last days on a single charge. But this is not just a blast from the past. The Nokia 1100 5G is designed to bring that old-school durability into the modern 5G era, combining rugged simplicity with contemporary features. So let's dive deep into this review and see if the Nokia 1100 5G is worth your attention in today's crowded smartphone market. Number 1 is design and build quality. The Nokia 1100 5G keeps the spirit of the original alive with its straightforward and functional design, but adds a modern twist. The body is compact, lightweight, and crafted from a sturdy polycarbonate material that feels reassuringly durable in the hand. Unlike the glass sandwiches we see everywhere, this phone does not beg for a case to keep it safe. Instead, it is meant to withstand drops, scratches, and everyday rough use. The curved back makes it comfortable to hold, and the textured grip ensures it will not slip easily out of your hand. Nokia has also made it splash resistant, which means you do not have to worry about a few drops of rain or accidental spills. It is a phone that feels like it was made for real life, not just to sit polished on a desk. That utilitarian yet stylish design is refreshing in an era where so many devices look the same. Number 2 is the display. Nokia has upgraded the tiny monochrome screen of the past into a modern, colorful display that is practical and easy to use. The Nokia 1100 5G sports a 5.2-inch HD Plus screen, not as large or as high resolution as flagship smartphones, but clear enough for messaging, browsing, and casual media use. Colors are natural and brightness levels are decent, making it usable even outdoors. The display is protected with strengthened glass to resist scratches, and it retains a flat, no-nonsense look that avoids unnecessary curves or distractions. While it will not compete with OLED panels on premium devices, the display here matches the phone's purpose. It is functional, battery efficient, and provides just the right balance for a device built around practicality rather than flashy specifications. Number 3 is performance. The Nokia 1100 5G runs on a modest but capable chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, expandable via microSD. This is not designed to be a gaming powerhouse or a multitasking beast, but it handles everyday tasks with surprising smoothness. Navigating through menus, switching between apps, making calls, sending messages, and browsing the web all feel quick and reliable. Thanks to its lightweight software, the phone does not demand too much from its hardware, which helps maintain consistent performance. And the real highlight is its 5G support. This is where the phone steps into the modern age, giving you fast connectivity for streaming, browsing, and downloading. It is impressive that a phone this simple offers the future-proofing of 5G, proving that Nokia wants this device to remain relevant for years to come. Number 4 is the camera. This is where expectations need to be set realistically. The Nokia 1100 5G features a single 16-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. While this is modest compared to today's multi-lens camera systems, it delivers surprisingly good results for casual photography. Photos taken in good lighting are sharp, with balanced colors and enough detail for social media sharing. In low light, the camera struggles, as expected, but still manages serviceable shots if you are patient. The front camera is decent for video calls and selfies, though again, it is about functionality rather than artistic flair. What makes the camera setup interesting is its simplicity. There are no confusing modes or overwhelming settings. It is point, shoot, and share, which matches the overall philosophy of the phone perfectly. Number 5 is battery life. This is where the Nokia 1100 5G truly shines and brings back the nostalgia of the original. Packed with a 5000 mAh battery, this phone is a workhorse. With moderate use, it can easily last 2 to 3 days on a single charge. Even with heavy use, it comfortably makes it through a day and a half. This is thanks to the efficient hardware and modest display that does not drain power unnecessarily. Charging is done through USB-C with support for 18W fast charging, which may not be the fastest in the industry, but is more than enough for the intended audience. The real beauty here is the confidence you feel knowing your phone will not die halfway through your day. In a time when most flagships need to be topped up daily, the Nokia 1100 5G feels like a relief. Number 6 is software and features. The Nokia 1100 5G runs on a clean version of Android, free from heavy skins or unnecessary bloatware. This makes the user experience straightforward, smooth, and easy to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. It comes with all the essentials like Google Apps, basic customization options, and smooth integration with modern services. There are also a few Nokia touches, such as durability-focused optimizations and the inclusion of classic features like FM radio and a flashlight, which add to its charm. Security updates are promised regularly, which is a strong plus point for a budget-friendly device. The software experience matches the phone's philosophy, giving you everything you need without clutter or confusion. Number 7 is value for money. The Nokia 1100 5G is priced competitively, making it one of the most affordable 5G phones on the market. It is not aimed at those chasing cutting-edge specs or premium designs. Instead, it is for users who want a dependable device that just works, without breaking the bank. For students, senior citizens, or anyone looking for a secondary phone that can handle modern tasks while lasting long on a charge, this device is a fantastic option. You get 5G, great battery life, durable build, clean software, and reliable performance, all at a fraction of what most modern smartphones cost. In that sense, it delivers outstanding value, and it stands out in a market often obsessed with excess. Now, let's wrap this up with a conclusion. The Nokia 1100 5G is not here to compete with flagship devices loaded with premium features, nor is it trying to outshine mid-range smartphones with flashy designs and huge camera modules. Instead, it carves out a very specific niche, one that is sorely needed in today's smartphone world. It brings back the simplicity and dependability of the original Nokia 1100, while updating it with just enough modern features to stay relevant. A durable build, a practical display, smooth everyday performance, essential cameras, outstanding battery life, clean software, and unbeatable value make this device a breath of fresh air. For those who remember the original Nokia 1100, this is a nostalgic yet practical upgrade that keeps the essence alive. For younger users who never held the classic, it is an opportunity to experience a phone that focuses on what truly matters. It is a device for people who want less complication, more reliability, and a phone that does not demand constant charging or pampering. At applelnsider, we believe the Nokia 1100 5G is not just a phone, it is a reminder that technology does not always need to be complicated to be effective. It delivers on its promise and stays true to its roots, making it one of the most refreshing releases of recent years. So if you are tired of fragile phones with overwhelming features you may never use, the Nokia 1100 5G could be exactly the kind of device you need in your pocket. Simple, strong, and smart, just like Nokia always promised.